We have the Shiznit in today. It's a R33 with an RB30 in it. I think it was about 2 years ago. It came in from Australia and has been sitting in storage. And now it's time for a nice freshen up, all fluids and good service all around, and get her street boost and ready.
Tommy's got the vibes, got the vibes, got the vibes, got the vibes.
A bit more. Needs more. Needs more oils. Yes. That was a very tight drain plug. May have needed a fairly large bar to get that. Wow. Okay. Ooh.
This is the shot of the shelf being assembled. And then after this shot, you'll see the B-roll of the shelf assembled.
We are doing trans and diff fluid now. After some coffee. Boom. Valve open. Look at that fluid rushing in. Oh, that's gonna be annoying though, because we have to pump that up as it's filling. Noah's holding it right now. I should probably get you something to set that on. Always undo the fill plug first, so that there's airflow when you undo the drain. Words of wisdom. What a beautiful looking rad. I think what you do with this stuff is you like take a pinch of it and you like sprinkle it on your eggs in the morning. It's like a nice seasoning. custom cooling system flush. You just let that flow through. Hope you guys enjoyed learning this new tip for cleaning out your cooling system.
We're just got the top up and we're going to do coilovers in a E36 convertible.
Just getting the fronts in and gonna tighten everything up and then onto the rear next. I have to take all the wheels off that I just put on and check the preloads. Pretty low. Pretty low. Oh, it's hot.
Like for homework. Comment for good camera battery life. And subscribe for all the above. And then share this video with all your friends and family and grandmas and grandpas and cousins and friends that wear hats backwards that say Bass Pro Shops and vape out of their car and have to go home early to hide their vape from their mom. Thank you.